Hello everyone. Today we start with a topic called binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is actually a part of standard 11. Not there for CET. Okay, not there for CET. But we're still doing this chapter because certain bits and pieces of this chapter will be required. ठीक है, तो उस वजह से हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं. अच्छा, बाइनोमियल थ्योरम ही है which gives you a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a plus b whole cube gives you a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. अब अगर मैंने आपसे पूछा कि भाई a plus b raised to 10 लिखना है तो क्या लिखेंगे? वो कैसे आएगा, कहां से आएगा? That comes from binomial theorem और binomial expansion. ठीक है, बात तो एक ही है, it's one and the same. अच्छा, now before I get into binomial theorem or binomial expansion, everybody, few things that you all have to know. Okay? अच्छा, जो मैं ये लिख रहा हूं, ये आपको भी लिखना है अपने बुक्स में. First, factorial notation. Maybe all of you all already know this, but we still make a note of it. Okay, factorial notation क्या है? Suppose I have n factorial. It is 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n. And please understand, factorial notation is only for natural numbers. So when I say n factorial, what do I intend? What do I mean? I mean you have to take the product of the first n natural numbers. Product of the first n natural numbers. Okay? So it is this, right? Acha, this can also be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n minus 1 into n. That means this can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. बराबर ना? क्योंकि ये n minus 1 तक गया तो उसको तो n minus 1 factorial ही बोलना पड़ेगा into n factorial. So, for example, I can write 8 factorial as 8 into 7 factorial. ठीक है? And so on and so forth. Of course, this can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. ऐसे, whatever the problem, that particular problem demands, you can write it in that. अच्छा, one more thing, under factorial, 0 factorial is taken as 1. ये आप जरा मार्क करके रखो, 0 factorial must be 1. Okay, of course this does not follow your basic definition because 0 is not a natural number at all. Okay, but 0 factorial is taken as 1, right? अभी फिलहाल आप ये लिख के रखो and take it for granted. हाँ, सर ने बताया तो वही 0 factorial is 1. ठीक है? That's under factorial notation. ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. ठीक है? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट लिखना है, पॉज करके लिख लेना, राइट? नेक्स्ट एवरीबडी, we need to think about, or we need to know about rather, NCR. Okay, NCR. Of course, इसके बारे में ज़्यादा होगा when we will actually talk about permutations and combinations. ये चैप्टर हम लोग थोड़ा बाद में करेंगे, alright? उसमें ये ज़्यादा आएगा and we will actually exclusively do some which are based on द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एनसीआर. ओके, फिलहाल तो मैं सिर्फ हमारे लिए यहाँ पर जितना चाहिए वो मैं आपको बता के दे रहा हूँ. सो एनसीआर इज बेसिकली n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. I think you should all know this. Okay, NCR is n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so if I ask you all, what is 8C3? बोलो 8C3 क्या होगा? 8C3 होगा 8 factorial upon 3 factorial 5 factorial. आया ना? Yes. इसका वैल्यू कैसे ढूंढेंगे? इसका वैल्यू ढूंढने के लिए shall I say I will write the numerator वाला 8 factorial as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. देखो, we are applying what we just talked about 5 मिनट पहले. 3 factorial को लिखेंगे 3 into 2 into 1, ठीक है, and 5 factorial को वैसे ही करके कैंसिल. 3 2s are 6, आंसर 56. अच्छा एवरीबॉडी, इसमें एक खास बात ये भी है, जरा देखो. ओके, कैन आई से ये जो वैल्यू आपने लिखा ये दिस इज ऑल्सो 8C5. जरा चेक कर लो. यू थिंक यू सी फॉर योरसेल्फ, यू अंडरस्टैंड 8C5 राइट. 8C5 अगर लिखना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? 8 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल एंड 8 माइनस 5 मतलब 3 फैक्टोरियल, मतलब यही होगा. दैट मींस these two are equal. Okay, that leads me to another important result. Okay, NCR is equal to NCn minus R. NCR is equal to NCn minus R. Okay, important, right? This you all know this only, and इसका example already हम लोग देख चुके. अच्छा, NCn minus R, if you write in terms of the formula, it will be n factorial upon n minus R factorial, and it will be n minus R factorial. हाँ या ना? तो ये तो R ही बनेगा, and that's why these two are equal. ठीक है? Sure? Everybody? So we've written down what is NCR formula. What is NCR stand for? ये मैंने अभी बताया नहीं है. Okay? Because right now I don't want to talk about what NCR stands for. I have only told you NCR का value क्या है, formula क्या है. So any term like this use a okay, इसका वैल्यू मैं ढूंढ के देता हूँ अभी. Okay, what does NCR stand for? You all have to have patience, wait till we do permutation combination, तभी मैं आपको डिटेल में बता दूंगा. ठीक है? So NCR formula, example लिया, example लेते लेते we realize that this is also true. We verified the same formula करके भी वैसे वही आ रहा है. So NCR is always NCn minus R. ठीक है? अच्छा. Now everybody, although there is this formula, okay, this formula, जब मैं 8C3 बोलता हूँ ना, okay, this is one thing you have to remember. Another thing that you have to remember, 8C3 बोलता हूँ, मैं एक्चुअली कभी भी ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई ही नहीं करता. मैं हमेशा क्या करता है मालूम है? 8C3 है ना, so start from 8 and write 3 numbers divided by, start from 3 and write 3 numbers. देखो I also arrived at the same thing that you arrived after cancelling out 5 factorial. 8c3 डन. अच्छा, अगर किसी ने मेरे को 8c5 पूछा डायरेक्टली तो मैं बोलता है 8c5 is 8c3 and therefore write 3 numbers. Start from 3 and write 3 numbers and get the answer. अच्छा, अगर मान लो किसी ने ये नहीं सोचा 8c5 है तो 8c3 भी है, ये दिमाग में नहीं आया तो doesn't matter. See, 8c5 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. 5 number divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 number आया ना? तो ये 5 और 4 गया और बच गया यही है. So it doesn't matter. Don't worry. I will always, when I have to calculate 8c3, I will never do 8 factorial upon 3 factorial, 5 factorial, rewrite 8 factorial, cancel out 3 numbers, 3 numbers. Correct. Matter clear. Is that very clear? Everybody? Sure. Okay. जरा ये नोट डाउन करो ना. NCR formula. Example. चलो. Example. Alright. ये लिखा. Then this is equal to HC5. Then note करके ये लिखो. And then ये लिखो. How you are practically going to apply this NCR. Okay. वो लिख दो. Come on. Pause the video and write down, everybody. अच्छा, एक और चीज. Right, this will be the third point. R into NCR. ये क्या बन सकता है? R into NCR. Now, very important formula. ये आपको याद रखना है. Okay. R into NCR is, देखो, R into n factorial upon R factorial n minus R factorial, है ना? है ना? अच्छा, can I write R factorial, everybody, as n factorial upon R into R minus 1 factorial लिखूं तो चलेगा ना? Definitely चलेगा, 100% चलेगा. Okay, into n minus R factorial. चलो इसमें R कैंसिल होगा. अब थोड़ा और एडजस्टमेंट. हाँ, देखो, this is n into n minus 1 factorial, no doubt. In factorial you can definitely be written like this. And can I write R minus 1 factorial into bracket n minus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial. जरा देखो मैंने क्या लिखा है, पहले थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करो. Don't just accept whatever I have written down. R factorial को R minus 1 factorial, R कैंसिल हो गया. अब R minus 1 factorial हो गया n minus R factorial and n factorial ऊपर. n factorial को ऐसे n minus 1 factorial. R minus 1 factorial है. n minus R को लिखा मैंने n minus 1 minus of R minus 1. minus 1 essentially cancel. n minus R factorial ही है. लेकिन ऐसे लिखने से क्या हुआ? This I believe is n into okay, I think n minus 1 C R minus 1. देखो n minus 1 C R minus 1. जरा चेक कर लो. very important. very important. ओके, ये याद रखना है. राइट, क्या याद रखेंगे आप? एवरीबॉडी क्या याद रखोगे? R into NCR is equal to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1, ये याद रखना चाहिए. Is that very clear? Everybody? Okay. चलो. Okay. Before we start with binomial expansion क्या है? ये कुछ चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. Okay. Have you all noted this down? Note this down as well. Okay. Result. तो तीन चीजें आपको याद रखनी है. ये how you practically going to evaluate NCR, and then I've given you all an additional result. Okay. ये जरा ध्यान में रखो. Okay. Quickly note it down. Next I will tell you what the formula is and you will go ahead solving a few examples. Right?